Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook Messenger notes or Messenger notes not showing. Now we shall have two methods for this fix. The first of all is to come to your Google Play Store. In most cases, if notes are not showing, just come to the Google Play Store and make sure you're using the updated version of Facebook Messenger. So we shall come around the search and you can see, guys, Messenger I'm using is up to date. Now, if that doesn't fix the solution, if that doesn't fix it, just come to your settings, then come to app management. After that, come to app list. When you come to app list, you then wait for your apps to finish uploading up. Now, once you're done loading up, you then go ahead and search for Messenger itself. So come to search bar here, search for Messenger, not messages, search for Messenger, tap on Messenger, tap on storage. Now clear the cache and also clear the storage. After that, you'll have fixed that. Thanks for watching, guys.